Tired of PowerPoint presentations looking different on every computer? Let's fix that by turning them into universally compatible PDFs. First, open your PowerPoint presentation, then click on the File tab located in the top left corner of your screen. A menu will appear on the left side of your screen. Look for Save As and give it a click. Now, a Save As dialog box will pop up here. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Save As. Click on it to reveal a list of different file formats. Scroll through the list until you find PDF. Select it. This tells PowerPoint that you want to save your presentation in PDF format. Choose the location where you want to save your PDF file, rename the file if you like, and then click the Save button. PowerPoint will now convert your presentation into a PDF. Once the conversion is complete, the PDF should automatically open in your default PDF viewer. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint presentation is now a PDF, ensuring consistent formatting and easy sharing across all devices. Now, everyone will see your presentation exactly as you intended.